Okay, I'm just going to show you the automatic parking system in this 2018 Landrover Discovery. It's not easy. It will parallel park and it will also perpendicular park. However, driving around here, it would seem that everybody parallel parks on the pavement. So not wanting to ruin the wheels on this Discovery, I don't want to do it there. So I've just set us up a little scenario here. But that's also quite difficult because I've pulled it out of this spot at the side there, so it picks that up as a perpendicular parking space. Anyway, enough of that. Into drive, then we select the parking like so, searching for parking spaces, and you'll see there, you'll see there, searching for parking spaces. Now I've got to be in control at the moment till it finds one. So I'm going to nip over here, but I'm sure it's going to pick up that one. Yes, it did. See, that's the one on the right hand side. Go a bit further and it's picked up that one. So that's the one I want. So now, stop and select reverse to begin manoeuvre. So here we go. So it's careful not to bump the Maserati there. It's just steering in nicely. There we go. We can see the reversing. I'm just covering the brake with my foot, but it's doing the rest. Straightening up. So that's beat. Tell me to drive forward. Drive forward. Well, that's it done. It's as easy as that. Now then, to get out of the parking space, again, I'll just put it in park. We'll select parking, searching for parking space. I don't want it to do that, so I press that again. Indicate to select exit direction. Select reverse to begin manoeuvre, so I've clicked reverse. It's just going to take me back. Drive forward with care, drive forward. That's it, we're out. I'm not convinced that was a total movement then, but I think with having cars parked there, I think that kind of cocks it up, so I'll let it off.